What is going on, guys? Feel like here in today's video. I'll be having an unboxing from the Cube corner. So here's the package. So I'll be opening the package. So here are the cubes. So I'll be opening it. Bubble wrap. So here is the Moyu Magnetics cube, the new Moyu Fiber 5, and the Vault Tree. So here it is. So today I'll be starting with the Moyu's cube. So pamphlet, and the cube. So here it is, the Moyu Magnetic Cube. So the first impression, this is so very light, and it has standard Moyu shades and large flaring cuts. So let's see some first things. Oh, you can feel the magnets inside, and screen recording is great. And you can easily turn it. And again, this cube is very light. So there's a sound. So maybe I'll be having a review on this, so check it out. So Moyu Magnetics cube. Second is the Witchwang GDS. So this is the new Moyu Fiber 5. So pamphlet and the cube. So it's in the plastic, just like the Moyu Magnetics cube. Oh yeah, so here's the cube. So it's loopy. So first turns, it's a bit light. It's like so light. And first turns, it's a bit sandy. Its corner cutting is, this cube is so tight. So it's also a standard mga shades. So I think I'll be also having a review on this, so check that out. So that's the Moyu 5 FM. For the last one, this is the new Vault Tree. So here's the cube. I just opened the box. Took me minutes. So the first thing I saw is the cube. And this one, what is this? Oh, so that's just papers. So let's just get this cube. Oh, so this is the cube. It's a bit looby, but first turns, this is a great cube. This just need some break-ins, so that the cube will be good. Doing some algorithms is so easy, and its size is so small. You can easily do OH. So its corner cutting is great. It has half bright shades that many use before the cubicle sticker shades are released. So that's all I can say with this cube. So that's it for this unboxing. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.